Here's how to wash your bike simply with soap and water. The soap and water method is what I call this. Now I just got this bike 3-4 days ago, and she's used. She is not nothing new. She a Trek hiding under these stickers right here. Don't know why, but I kind of got an idea. What y'all think though? She pretty? But this is how to wash a bike. Soap and water. She a little dusty, but we finna make her clean again. What y'all think? Y'all think I scored? Y'all think she a nice one? Ooh, look, she looking nice already. Gotta give her a name. What should we name it? Is it even a she? Who knows? We gotta figure it out though, y'all. This is how you clean a bike with the soap and water method. And I only used this soap, Dawn to be exact. Now look, watch this right here. Y'all see the handles? These things got to be dirty, filthy. Pour some on that actually. It gotta be. Look at that. Riding with my hands on that. Come on. Probably touching my face. See? Wow. Let's check this one. Even more filthy. Oh man. This is why it's important when you get used things as far as bikes and items. Clean them thoroughly. Might even do a bleaching on it. Am I taking it too far if I bleach it, y'all? So far, this seems to work good. I might hit it with the hose afterwards, with the water hose, just because I feel like that will top it off and give it that extra oomph. She getting there, y'all. She getting there. The pedals are always gonna be dirty, so don't never worry about the pedals unless you got dookie or something on it. Other than that, don't worry about that. Yeah. Now I gotta get some WD-40 for the chain. It's a must. I don't want to rust it, so I'm gonna stay away from putting the water and soap on it. But it's definitely needed for this chain before it pops. You want to make her look nice. You be riding around, people heads turning like they seen a Bentley or something. She look a lot better. And this is how you clean it. The soap and water method. Stay tuned for the rims to get hit. We're gonna hit it with the hose afterwards, and we'll make a video on how to clean it with the hose. We'll let her get a little pollinated first, and then we'll hit it with the hose. Well time next.